Well, well, let's look to see how this is going. Wow, this place is packed. How nice is that? That's cool. Southern Honda. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Good. How's it going, Lewis? Oh, he's on the phone? What's up, brother? No, I'm just getting here. What's up, brother? I'm doing good, man. Doing good. Good to see you. I didn't know you was. We all just kind of popped up. I didn't know it till this morning. Yeah, yeah. Hey, that's how it goes. I know. I got up about what? Lauren went off at 3:45, and I looked at my. I told my wife after I got dressed. I said, "Baby, I think I'm gonna take on off." She was like, "Okay, let me get on up, so she can help me get ready." So, yes, sir. Let me park, and then I'm gonna come see you. Okay. Okay. Cool. Let me see. What's going on? What's going on, Lee? Good to see you. All the good looking people in one place. God. You know what? I mean, everybody is here. How awesome is this? What's going on, sir? I'm the one that sent you the message, and I'll see you up here. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Okay. You says Top Dog. Nice to meet you, brother. Absolutely. Where are you from? Atlanta? Oh no, you're fine. Here, let me get that for you. Oh yeah. Hey, absolutely. I'm gonna put it in here now. Oh, I've been great, sir. I've been good. Very good. I can't get no better. No, she couldn't. We had because I'm just coming down for a day and I'm taking literally back off after this. But our we didn't have anyone to sit our animals, our dogs. So she said, "Listen, baby, you go ahead and go, and I'll see you when you get back." I said, "That sounds good." Okay. Yeah, she just rolled with you today, huh? She stay home. Okay. Hey, ab- absolutely, absolutely. Yes, sir. Hey, I most definitely will. Hey, I'll be looking forward to it. Yep.
Good to see you, man.
Doing all right?
Look, last time we was in Colorado. Leading them. Moving.
Yo, wow.
Man, hey, listen, Dennis brought us through there, didn't he?
I ain't no
$1 million
Dennis get
highway.
down like that. I thought Dennis was chilling.
You got well. First of all,
Well, that's
you
what
got,
everybody said, actually.
well, somebody was pushing Dennis.
Oh, yeah,
your wife was
Eric.
on his own?
Yeah, I was right behind
Eric.
Eric. I was
Road
number
runner.
3.
Eric was dead on his ass the whole
The
time.
whole time.
The boots and jeans guy.
Yep,
No.
yep.
Oh, I thought he was number 4.
Yeah,
They were there,
Rich,
but-
Rich
I think he was
was,
number 4.
number 4 was Pittman, James.
Yeah.
And then it was, you know, I'm not sure.
Craig's not coming.
Craig's not coming, huh? I actually thought about
No, they
calling
normally
him.
would run up together.
Exactly.
I didn't know if you was.
I know I called, I had texted Lewis, and so me and him was going to run down, but I ended up taking off a lot earlier. So, yep, he was just checking tire pressure. I said, I'm passing your exit, you know.
His wife
Keep
be on
waiting.
the back.
For
His
sure.
wife be taking pictures on the back. She
Oh,
be
yeah.
turning around like this. Man, going around them curves.
She,
I
hey.
seen her, man. She be turned all the way around.
Oh, my God.
He be in it, too.
Hey.
Man.
You ain't going nowhere in that back seat.
I'm EG, man.
Nice to meet
I
you.
mean,
Yes, sir.
no, I just be watching on YouTube.
Yeah.
I watch on YouTube.
Long
distance, man. How you doing? Long distance. Nice to meet you.
You made me get a DCT. Your
man.
test road, I put on there. I said, man, this was the best test ride video I've ever seen.
I appreciate that, man.
You talked it through, and then I saw how you was doing it.
Man, it was
I
great.
said, man,
That's why, you know, and I know Scooter was talking to me.
he been talking to me about it.
And now
Talking and
I'm
seeing
gonna
is
do it.
different.
But, you know, every once in a while, I still pull the 06 out.
Hey, man.
I thought about riding it today.
You know, I'm going to tell you like this. I love getting on that F6B,
Right.
but it sits too low. I don't have the ground clearance, so
Right.
I was running with Solo. Hey, Solo?
Yeah.
We was coming through the curves, and he was dead on me, and I couldn't pull away because I'm over as far as I can go. I was like, if I have my
Gotta
damn
do it.
10,
Yeah.
if I have my damn 10,
Right.
What was he
he
going?
was on the top. Hey, the only reason he was there is because I couldn't lean no more.
Right.
I'm just saying, but the Harley did keep up with you, though.
Oh, he go. Hey, he was in my pocket.
Okay, I just want to make sure. I heard that right.
But understand.
Yeah.
Pocket.
He wanted in front,
Right,
up the
right.
side. He was just right here.
Hey.
Oh, I just made no.
On that raggedy old,
Right.
He was on that new 24 and I was on that raggedy 14. with all that raggedy 14. Let's go.
I said, man, I said, I don't know how they ride that mountain, bro.
Hey.
Y'all have been there. I think y'all said y'all have been there before, right?
Yeah. So me and my wife, that was our third, fourth time going on $1 Million Highway, because every year we try to go out west. We're actually thinking about hitting like Montana, Beartooth Pass again, because last time we almost got.
You been down 12 yet?
You went down 12 and I asked you what road that was, and you told me. I said, I wrote it down.
I've been down it 3-4 times, man.
Well, that's low pass.
Oh, yes. Yeah, we passed by.
Sound familiar?
Yeah.
That sound familiar.
You know that's my road.
That sound
Right.
familiar.
You know that's my road.
We can't get no gas. So yeah, man, time we literally almost got there.
You didn't even move.
I love it. Hey, what's up, man? Shoot. Hey, we got to hold up.
I know, right?
I'm looking at the line. I saw both of y'all heads. I know those PNs. I know those PNs.
Anywhere. Hey, you know what? We gonna pop in.
Oh
We
yeah,
gonna pop
exactly.
in.
Exactly.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I was like, who is this? Yes, sir. Peabody up in the house.
I was walking up here to go look at some bikes up there. And I pulled my phone out and I saw your picture and had your helmet. I was like, he coming this way. I said,
Right.
4 hours ago, I was like, he'll be here shortly.
Yeah, exactly. You know how he rolls.
Exactly. That's only a 12-hour ride. He left 4 hours ago. He'll be here shortly.
The whole time, my wife said, you already made. What's up, Lil Wes?
We know that.
Man, we got the whole family reunion going on around here. What's up, Katie?
Go well, man.
She did. She called me time y'all was at the restaurant.
We were sitting like this.
And I looked up like,
Who dragged
he
you
had
out?
on a shirt that said, that's wrong.
Yep. Who got you dragged out?
No, I do. I said,
ready
you
to
know.
go.
Come down here. I'll ride down there. Yeah, and I told Mama, I said, listen, I know y'all was at a good
Hey, bro.
Man, I'm just
What's up,
saying.
man?
Thanks for letting me hang
Hey,
with you.
I texted Lewis. I said, I'm passing your exit. I'm waving. I'm waving.
Unplugging the DSP to
Oh, dang.
Yeah. I texted Lewis last night. I said, hey, you want to roll down together? You know, I think about leaving. And he said, yeah, if I can get my fireplace installed and all that other stuff. And then we had a freeze alert. I just sent you a screenshot, didn't it? He said, he said he ain't know either.
What's up, man? I told him I was down with it. That's good. Staying out of trouble.
trying.
What's going on, Lee?
Trying.
That's good, man.
You just pull up?
Nah, I've been went down to Buc-ee's and got them cans.
Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah, good ride up though, huh? Okay, this is my first time seeing the bike in person. Looks good, man.
dirty as shit.
Hey,
Like,
you've been riding it, so you know. That's mine the same way. Dirty.
I clean it.
Had to get it cleaned up a little bit though. Come on, sir.
Young Gunn.
Yes, sir. Good to see
How are you?
I'm doing well. How about
No
yourself?
cases
No, we'll leave that Monday through Friday. Today we are.
Well, Alan says hi.
Nice to meet you. Okay, Alan. Oh yeah.
Yeah, the
small
retired
world.
guy.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Small world. Your name?
Purple, man.
Purple.
From Brooklyn, man.
Okay, nice to meet you. Okay. So you rode all the way down?
What's
That's
up, my
nice.
brother? My brother's right here. How you feeling,
Okay.
baby? Hey, I love Alan behind.
I was actually off the scooter just wondering where Alan was. Because you never know where Alan. You know, Alan will pop up, come in for a couple days, and he gone again. That's for sure.
You know what I mean?
What's going on, brother?
I saw when you pulled up. I saw when he put up like a boss.
Listen,
does.
hey, listen. I'm just trying to be like y'all guys. What's going on, everybody? Dr. Young Gun in the house.
Come on, baby.
Hanging out with all these cool cats.
Yeah, well, except for this one. I'm sorry.
Peabody, he the best in the world.
Yo,
right
you ain't
here.
lying, man. Peabody?
Coolest cat,
You got
man.
this man right here. Gets
Absolutely.
solid.
Many rides together.
Oh, man.
Many miles of smiles
Absolutely. All the way from Black Wall Street to,
Yep.
to a
Come
lot
on.
of others.
Come on, why y'all gotta show off, man?
right here. Gotta show off.
That's what we do, man. We put the miles in. Hey, my 23 just turned.
Yo, when I tell y'all we showing up, when I tell y'all
Everybody's
we showing
out
up,
today.
I mean we showing up.
Look at
And
me
showing
recording
out.
him, recording me.
Hey, the cook, this is how life works.
If you don't know Fit Nation Sensei, you better go ahead and check out that page.
Come on, if y'all don't know, y'all check out my man Tank. Tank is a traveler.
That's it.
This dude ain't no joke. Y'all hear me? Check him out. Come on. Plug it,
Got them all out here today.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Look at that group. They pulled up right. Sure did.
Guys, when I tell you,
Yeah. Big bro Slappy. Where is Slappy at?
I saw him out here earlier.
Yeah, I saw him. He's probably back sitting down at his chair. Let me check on him real quick. You know what?